go ahead and go on your YouTube bar, click on the red subscribe button, and then ring the bell to get notified of all the new videos that are coming out. You can be on top of everything. Alright, let's jump back into it.
Grumpy, and welcome to the other episode of Grumpy Outlaw Kitchen, where this week we're going to Hawaii, bruh. So over the next couple weeks, we're going to be doing the whole series about Hawaiian and Hawaiian dishes. So we're going to give you a trip to the islands. But before we get started, I'm doing a giveaway of my unreleased hot sauce. And all you gotta do to enter and win is make sure we get 550 subscribers and put your name and email in the comments. And when we get to that goal, I'm gonna do a random drawing. If you're the lucky one, you'll be getting some of this good, hot goodness. Without further ado, let's get grumpy. Alright, today we're gonna be doing Spam Musubi, which is one of my favorite snacks. It takes me back to a great time back when I was on Oahu. And we're gonna need a few things. Of course, we're gonna need Spam. Of course, we're gonna need some rice. We're gonna need some nori, a little bit of oyster sauce. Last but not least, a little bit of soy sauce, low sodium. The price point, $10. Alright guys, so now we're going to slice up our Spam. But before we do, make sure that you keep the can. We're going to use this later for our rice. So now that we have our Spam, what you want to do, real thin, little 2-inch slices just like that. You're going to stick to your knife, you're going to be okay. Just real simple and easy, 2-inch slices. You can use your index finger like that to get it off. You're going to do that until you slice the ham all the way down. What you want to do when you have your rice, you want to go ahead, number one, you want to wash it 3 times. Then you want to go ahead and boil it. And then what you want to do is you want to let it set for a little while and drain out all the excess water so that you can let it sit. It can get sticky so you can use it for your musubi. Alright, now we're going to make our oyster sauce. We're going to add sugar first. Then we're going to add our oyster sauce. You gotta be careful with this stuff. It's kind of like molasses, so it can be a little feisty. We're going to add about half a 3/4 cup or 1/3 cup, just like that. And then you're going to add your soy sauce. I'm using low sodium. I want to be healthy-ish. There you go. I'm going to add that. I'm going to add one more. Like that. Now, take our whisk and just whisk this all up, just like that. After you make your sauce, you want to add your Spam to the sauce, and you're going to let it sit in there, get a little tough and everything so everything gets coated. And you're going to let this sit for a little bit right before you cook it. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and slice our nori. So what we're going to do is there's a little line right here. You see right there? You're going to take your blade, just drag right across that line. Make sure you use the hill of your blade. Smooth and easy. And if you do it right, it'll come right apart just like that. Alright, so after you let this cook for about 10 minutes, you're going to go ahead and start cooking them on your skillet. Just like that, you want to get to a medium high. I can do about 5 or 6 on mine. I'm going to do 5. And then let this rip. Fry it a little bit so we get done on both sides. Alright? Alright, if you lasted this long watching my video, why don't you do yourself a favor and click the subscribe button, followed by liking. And then leave me a comment. Let me know how you feel. I'll see you next time. I'm Grumpy. I'll holla.